How to remove I'm not a robot on Google Chrome. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily remove I'm not a robot on Google Chrome. So first thing, just head over to your Google Chrome browser, and once you're inside here, just tap on this three dot icon at the top right corner. So scroll down until you see the settings. So just open your settings and then head over to privacy and security option just like this. And once you're inside here, just tap on this third-party cookies and make sure you allow your third-party cookies just like this. You make sure you have selected the allow button over here, and then just come back, and now you have to click on this side settings, and all you have to do is just click on this any of the settings options just like this. And let's say I want this page to not use a robot, and to just head over to inside of the settings and click on location and make sure you have allowed your location just like that. So once you do that, your issue should be fixed. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.